With an updated main camera, cutting-edge computational capabilities, and a better selfie camera, Samsung's flagship Galaxy 23 Ultra signified a substantial leap in the camera sector. The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra, however, won't have the same modifications. According to a recent report from the dependable and accurate source S24, Samsung intends to keep the same 200MP camera for its upcoming flagship Galaxy S24 series, suggesting that the camera improvements seen in the Galaxy 23 Ultra may not be present in the company's flagship phone upgrade. Only software upgrades for the Galaxy S24 Ultra are possible with the ISOCELL HP2 sensor from Samsung. Not to be overlooked is the fact that the phone is said to use a telephoto lens in addition to the same 12MP Sony camera. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's 3x optical zoom camera, IMX754, is the same one. With the same 12MP Sony IMX564 sensor as the S23 Ultra, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's ultra-wide camera will also not alter. But one sensor, the second telephoto sensor, might get an upgrade in Samsung's upcoming phone. According to rumors, Samsung may employ a somewhat enhanced Sony IMX754 Plus sensor in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will provide a 10x optical zoom capability. Although the Galaxy S23 Ultra already boasts remarkable zoom capabilities, the enhanced sensor might up the phone's photographic game. The same may be true for the other two phones in the series, even if the story just mentions the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The 10x telephoto sensor of the Galaxy S24 Ultra will reportedly be the only component upgraded by Samsung, according to the claim. This is also the first time we've heard of Samsung emphasizing zoom sensors in new products. While there are some contradicting rumors about the camera sensors on the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra, all indications point to Samsung concentrating on enhancing the phone's zoom capabilities. Various rumors indicate that Samsung could adopt a brand new ISOCELL zoom sensor, while others propose an upgrade to the current Sony sensor. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is already a fantastic camera upgrade, thus the lack of noticeable improvements in the S24 Ultra's camera shouldn't deter buyers from buying the phone. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.